Baking powder versus baking soda? Most people think they're basically the same thing, but they actually work very differently in baking. Baking soda is about 3 to 4 times stronger than baking powder, and even though it seems like it lasts forever, it slowly loses strength over time. Baking soda needs an acid to activate, things like lemon juice, vinegar, or yogurt. When those ingredients react together, they create tiny bubbles, and those bubbles help baked goods rise. It also helps with browning, giving cookies that deep golden color. And because baking soda is so powerful, it makes cookies spread more in the oven. That's why it's perfect for soft, chewy cookies. Now, baking powder works differently. It's a complete leavening agent. That means it already contains both the acid and the base inside the mixture, so it doesn't need extra acidic ingredients to start working. Most baking powder is what's called double acting. It reacts once when it touches liquid, and then again when it heats up in the oven. That creates a slower, more controlled rise, perfect for cakes, muffins, and breads. Want to test if your baking soda is still active? Just add vinegar. If it fizzes, it's still good. For baking powder, drop it into warm water. If it bubbles, it's active. And one more thing, some baking powders contain cornstarch, so always check the label if you need a gluten-free option.